She had an existing typewriter and was being given a brand new PC. At the time, you would have thought that was exciting. For her, she was really mortified of the change that was about to come. I replaced the equipment, spent about 30 minutes with her going over all the details. Back in the day, the majority of the commands were done via the keyboard. So I went over how to turn the computer on, how to turn it off, how to open the applications, how to use the applications. And at the end of it, she seemed very pleased.
Interested in learning how Regroup Advisors can help your company? Contact us at info@regroupadvisors.com or online at regroupadvisors.com.